The 370Z is getting its wheels off ceramic coating package. So this is part of our wheels off ceramic coating treatment. We're taking off the wheels and we're cleaning them. We actually have new products in our store now. In our office, we have a little display where you guys get some of the products that we like and that we use here on a daily basis. These are products that we tried and we actually like, and these are the products that we will recommend for you guys. So whenever you're in our store and you're in our office, check out our little display area. We have all the top brands. And right now we're using the new Sonax wheel cleaner. This wheel cleaner is safe on all wheels, and that's what we're using to really take off all the caked up dirt that's on the inner barrel. As you guys know, the inner barrel, especially the inner barrel, gets a lot of dirt. So we're using this to dissolve all of that, and all of the soft brushes that we're using will not scratch your wheel. These wheel stands rotate and doesn't allow the wheel to actually hit the floor or anything like that. So it makes it easier for us to clean them. And then we bring it into the table and we'll apply ceramic coating. Now that we have the wheels thoroughly cleaned with the Sonax wheel cleaner, and we use a product called Paint Prep, this pretty much cleans and leaves a clean surface. So like that, when we actually install our ceramic coating on the wheels, it's actually gonna bond and stick to the wheel, and will give you that hydrophobic repellency that you want to make your wheel cleaning a lot easier and faster. So while Sebastian is here applying the ceramic coating, I want to talk about Beads ceramic coating. They're actually releasing a new wheel coating just for wheels, and being that I'm one of the reps here in the US, I was able to get our hands on a beta test sample. It's getting pretty close to being mass produced. We've been applying it to a couple of wheels that we've done already, and we really like the performance. So I'm going to bring in the camera and show you guys how we apply Beads wheel ceramic coating on these wheels.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? Bow in the presence of
So another service that we'll be doing to the 370Z is applying paint protection film to the headlight. But before we got to this part, the crew and I, we had already did the headlight restoration service to remove all the yellowness that was on here. All the oxidation has been removed, and now we can encapsulate this finish with our 3M paint protection film. This paint protection film will now take all the sun's beating, and it does not turn yellow. So it's very, very good for your headlights. Just do the headlight restoration one time and do it right. We offer the ceramic coating package, and we also have the paint protection film package. This one, we're applying the paint protection film. So like that, it's just a one-time thing. And 10 years from now, this still will look just like this. Already got the pattern cut out. I'm about to install headlights on a 370Z. Here we go. Well, and last thing that we did on the car was our famous HD ceramic coating package. You guys should have seen this. This hood was really, really bad. The customer was really concerned that, we were probably not gonna be able to save it. I underpromised, and I think I over-delivered. We did a full paint correction service, and we brought it back to life. So after we were done with our paint correction service, we applied 2 layers of ceramic coating all around, and the pearl metallic finish on this paint really, really pops now. Danny's securing the wheels as our last precaution before we take it outside and we walk around it and show you guys the final results of our ceramic coating packages. So if you guys are interested in either ceramic coating, headlight restoration with our paint protection film on its own, or window tinting, you guys know what to do. Hit us up. So feel free to call us, 786-370-7838.
I don't know if you got a man or not, if you made plans or not, if God put me in your plans or not. I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot, but I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front on me? It's 1,000 yous, it's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right?